Hi guys! Today we will discuss how to reset WordPress in Hostinger. So let's dive into this method. The first thing is head over to your site, and once you will be there, take a look on the top. You will see multiple options. From these you have to select the option website. After selecting the website, below you will see all the websites which you are hosting. From here you have to select the site which you want to reset. As you can see, I have two and I want to reset the WordPress of search-based method. So that's why I'll click on Manage. After clicking on the option Manage, I will get access to my site. Here I will show you my website. So that's why I will click on the option Admin panel, and here you will see my website is published. On the left side you will see all of your plugins. So if you want to save any of these, then save it, because after resetting everything will be gone, and you cannot get those back. So after it, let's move back to our hosting. Here, take a look on the left side. You can see a little pop-up from here. Scroll down a bit, and you can see an icon file. Simply click on the option file, and then it will be expanded. Here, click on the option file manager to get access to the files. You will see two options: access files of search-based method or access file business hosting. If you want to delete all the websites, click on the option access all file. But like we want to delete a single WordPress, that's why I'll click on it. And here on the top you can see the folder. Click on it and type Ctrl-A to select all after it. Now on the right side you can see the bin icon. Click on it, now click delete, and after deleting, move back to your hosting and again scroll down, and you can see the icon of database. Click on it and tap on the option management. After getting access to your management, here you can see the site. Confirm the site name. It's the same as we want to reset, and then click on the three dots and click on the option delete. Now confirm your deletion. Once the deletion will be confirmed, click on the option websites, and here what we will do. We will reinstall the WordPress in the Hostinger. But before the installation, let me show you. I will copy and will paste in the new tab, and you will see it's saying the site is not here. Now I will reinstall it. As I said before, go back to the Hostinger and click on Manage. Now here scroll down a bit, and on the left side you will see the icon website. Click on it and tap on the option Auto Installer. Once you will click on it, here you can auto install this entire site. So I will install WordPress. Here enter the website title and the password. After writing everything, click on the option Next. Here tap on Install, and you can see Overwrite Current File. Because I already have the site, so I'll overwrite it to the existing site. Now you can see it's installed, and if I click on Admin panel, it will be redirected to this page. Now take a look on the left top. You can see the icon of Knowledge Base. Click on it and tap on option Visit Page. So as you can see, is redirected to the fresh new WordPress site. And if you remember before, it said the page is forbidden. So it was the way by which you can reset and install WordPress in the Hostinger.